In our quest to harness eco-friendly, renewable energy directly from nature, safely and instantaneously, the cornerstone is the power cable. As industries evolve, the demand for power surges, spanning homes, facilities, and nations. This necessitates the secure transmission of high-voltage currents with minimal energy loss. The choice of materials, compounds, for long-distance, high-voltage transmission cables is critical. Identifying a company that excels in both understanding and technology is a pivotal challenge in this domain. Imagine a company adept at overseeing the entire life cycle, from material development and production to transmission and subsequent management. Where do we find such a comprehensive partner? Manufacturing high-purity compounds for superior quality cables, designed for stable power supply under any circumstances, minimizing risks for clients. Expanding product portfolio with strategic product lines like HVDC, submarine cables, and core technologies for semicon production. Hanwha Solutions Wire and Cable is the perfect partner for the solution. The push for eco-friendly development and the need for long-distance transmission have propelled the development and commercialization of HVDC cables. Recent advances highlight the importance of XLPE and Semicon, designed for conductors that operate at a permissible temperature of 90 degrees Celsius. Unlike traditional AC products, DC XLPE and DC Semicon must meet stringent requirements. Hanwha Solutions Wire and Cable delivers solutions that excel in each required property, offering two distinct solutions. To begin with, our HVDC XLPE is specialized for 90 degrees Celsius DC cables, which have the following properties through optimized additive package and superior base resin design. 1. Minimized accumulation of space charge and enhanced insulation performance. 2. Improved long-run stability and minimized degassing time. Through such properties, our DC XLPE can be applied not only underground cable, but also to submarine cable. Furthermore, our DC Semicon, optimized for use with our DC XLPE, ensures excellent space charge properties and stable operation for enhanced cable process ability and consistent electrical properties of insulation. Hanwha Solutions Wire and Cable has also achieved a breakthrough in developing special-grade CLNS, tailor-made for submarine cable production, marking a significant advancement over conventional CLNA insulation with the following. 1. Long-term processability, with enhanced long-run stability over insulation for traditional underground cable. CLNS insulation is suitable for submarine cable, where extended production time is required in production. 2. Degassing time. Compared to CLNA insulation, CLNS insulation provides outstanding degassing time. Overcoming major bottleneck of cable production is achieved by reducing degassing time by 20% through optimized additive package, which minimizes cross-linking byproducts. These improvements have significantly reduced the challenges associated with long-run submarine cable production, like scorch risk and degassing burden, making CLNS insulation perfect for submarine cable application. Another essential component in high-voltage transmission cables is the semicon. Semicon is crucial for stabilizing the electric field around cables and protecting insulation. The quality of semiconductors hinges on 4 key factors. Through years of R&D, Hanwha Solutions Wire and Cable succeeded in South Korea's first domestication of EBA, the base resin for semicon of high-voltage cable, and is being distributed to clients worldwide. We are capable of production and supply of semicon with outstanding quality through our own production and supply of EBA, possessing suitable quality for semicon. Our collaboration with Carbon Black Supplier enhances the electrical and dispersion properties of carbon black with minimized grit, optimizing it for high-voltage cable semicon. In order to have such excellent dispersion properties, outstanding production technology and production recipe are essential. Through years of research and optimized production conditions, Hanwha Solutions Wire and Cable is able to produce semicon with real-time data analysis, continuous and systematic quality management, ensuring consistent quality across all production. This commitment underscores Hanwha Solutions Wire and Cable's dedication to maintaining the highest standards in cable production, solidifying trust and credibility with our clients. Hanwha Solutions Wire and Cable ensures unparalleled purity and quality products, from base resin to final product, through systematic closed system process. Our products underline global competitiveness, reaching 265 companies across 58 countries. By synergizing and existing PO products for quality improvement, continuously expanding our production capacity, and enhancing R&D performance, we aim to meet the world's growing needs for quality wire and cable compounds. Join Hanwha Solutions in crafting a sustainable future for humanity through relentless technological innovation, lighting the way to a brighter tomorrow.